Lightway is an additive manufacturing specialist, but the company offers far more than just printed components.
Lightway bietet den Kunden die komplette Prozesskette.
Lightway provides its customers with the complete process chain for SLM manufacturing. This starts with designing and developing the components, continues with laser sintering and 3D metal printing, and extends all the way to CNC processing, heat treatment, and quality assurance. Compared to conventional production methods, additive manufacturing offers significantly greater flexibility when designing component geometries.
Konventionellen Verfahren.
Here's one example. Lightway manufactured the ankle joint for the robot Lola from the Technical University of Munich here at the company's site in Niedersachsen. Ensuring maximum quality is especially crucial with such a complex part, which is why the build plate and support structures are removed manually. The component is measured twice. After the first scan, the nominal actual data is compared using the software ZEISS 3D. Then, the part is clamped on a CNC milling machine for further processing. The second measurement ensures that the component meets all the customer's requirements. ZEISS Calypso software creates a measurement report, which is then passed on to the customer. The ZEISS Comet optimizes quality assurance in other ways as well.
Wir setzen ZEISS Comet ein.
We use the ZEISS Comet because the system is extremely flexible. We can measure components, usually without a matting spray, and the software is very intuitive. Moreover, you can calibrate the individual measurement fields in next to no time.
Sehr schnell abzubilden.
Having the right measurement solutions to respond to increasingly stringent requirements is another key reason the company opted for ZEISS. In the future, we plan to acquire a ZEISS coordinate measuring machine. Together with the ZEISS Comet, we will further improve the quality of our components and inspections. CT and microscopy technologies are becoming increasingly important for performing quality checks in additive manufacturing. No matter what the future brings, the solutions from ZEISS 3D Manufact assist with every step of the additive manufacturing process, from the powder all the way to the finished product. We're happy to have a partner like ZEISS, since they offer a wide range of product solutions suitable for the future of additive manufacturing.